everyone, today's story is very interesting. The day the vegetables came to school. Can you imagine this? Author Venkat Raman Goda, illustrator Padmanabh, translator Divyaspati Hegde, publisher Pratham Books. A level 3 story. Now let's get started with the story. Are you ready, children? Yes, let's start with it. One morning, not so long ago, Raju was on his way to school as usual. He loved school and was walking along happily, looking forward to the day. That was when he saw something very strange. Ahead of him were some unusual shapes heading towards school themselves, school bags slung over their shoulders. So children, can you guess what unusual shapes were moving in front of him and going to the school? Can you guess, children? Yes, start guessing. And then let's check out. As he came closer to the shapes, Raju wondered if they were vegetables, the kind he had seen so often in the market. He rubbed his eyes in disbelief. The vegetables looked fresh and healthy. They were marching towards the school like little soldiers, one behind the other. And they were moving and marching. Raju walked faster and faster. He was full of curiosity about his new schoolmates and wanted a closer look at them. And he wanted to know whether they were the vegetables or not. At long last, Raju caught up with the shapes marching ahead of him. He started at their faces, mouth open in surprise. Just as he had guessed, the shapes were really vegetables. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, and all the other root vegetables he had seen in the market. So these were all the root vegetables. What? Is it really you? The question popped out of his mouth before he realized it. The vegetables did not reply. They just looked at each other and smiled, amused at his amazement. So the vegetables didn't give any reply. They just smiled. "Where are you going?" asked Raju in wonder. "Where else?" replied the vegetables, speaking together as one. "We are on our way to your school." Raju nodded. He didn't know what to say. He continued on his way to school. And they all started going to the school. A little while later, Raju looked back to see if the vegetables were still around. That was when he had his second surprise of the morning. A parade of green leafy vegetables had now joined the root vegetables. They were also marching towards his school, their school bags over their shoulders. Now that he was part of the parade himself, Raju's joy knew no bounds. No one he knew had ever gone to school as part of a vegetable parade before. And Raju was very excited. By and by, the parade reached the school. All the children came to the door to watch the strange procession. Their mouths fell open at the sight. Their eyes were round with astonishment. You can look at the illustration. Look at the eyes of the children and the teacher. They all are astonished to see the parade. Raju's teacher came forward to welcome them. "Good boy," she said, patting Raju on the back. Raju was delighted. "Thank you, teacher," he said happily. The other children clapped and cheered. The teacher left, but someone continued to pat him, and quite hard too. Now, can you guess who was patting him? Maybe one of the vegetables, right? Now let's see and find out. Raju opened his eyes. His mother was shaking him awake, saying, "Wake up, Raju. You are going to be late for school." Raju was fully awake now. "I have been dreaming," he said to himself. "What a strange dream I have had." Raju got out of bed, smiling to himself. He would have to hurry if he wanted to get to school on time. Oh, what a lovely dream he had. So, all round day he was thinking about his dream and the expressions of his friends, the astonishment of the friends and teachers. And now this is a worksheet for you all. Use your imagination and color this picture any way you like. You can have the screenshot and get the printouts and color the sheet. Here is another sheet for you all. Use your imagination and color this picture any way you like. And the result will be a very beautiful, colorful picture. Thank you so much, children.